Praying Psalms 118, verses 105 to 112. Thy word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my paths. I have sworn and am determined to keep the judgments of thy justice. I have been humbled, O Lord, exceedingly. Quicken thou me according to thy word. The free offerings of my mouth make acceptable, O Lord, and teach me thy judgments. My soul is continually in my hands, and I have not forgotten thy law. Sinners have laid down a snare for me, but I have not erred from their precepts. I have purchased thy testimonies for an inheritance forever. Because they are the joy of my heart, I have inclined my heart to do thy justifications forever for the reward.